There is a bird on your hat. Hmm? Bird. Lots of birds here. There is a bird on your hat. They are sleeping here. Oh, I feel something wrong. Piggy! Is something on my hat? 내 머리 위에 뭐 있어? Yes! There is a bird on your hat. There is a bird on my hat. 새가 있다고? 아! 아이 깜짝이야. Is there a bird on my hat now? 지금도 새가 있어? No. But look at this. Two birds are coming. Now there are two birds on your hat. 1, 2. What are two birds doing on my hat? 내 머리에서 뭐 하는 거야? They are in love. 하트 하트. The birds on my hat are in love. 못 살아. Yes, they are love birds. Love birds? How do you know they are love birds? They are making a nest. 집을 짓고 있어요. 오, 집을 크게 짓고 있어요. Two birds are making a nest on my hat. 내 머리 위에 집을 짓고 있다고? Why would two birds make a nest on my hat? 내 머리 위에서 하필 집을 짓는 거야. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 내 머리 위에 혹시 알도 있어? 알 비슷한 게 보이네요. 보이네요. Let's count. 한번 세볼까? 1, 2, 3. 아하. You have 3 eggs on your head. 머리에 알이 3개가 있어. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Okay, then I have good news. The eggs are gone? 혹시 알들을 사라지게 할 수 있어? No, but the eggs are hatching. 알에서 깨어나고 있어. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? 우와! 칩. 새들이 정말 빨리 깨어났네요. They have hatched. 드디어 나왔어. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. 엄마, 아빠 bird and 새끼 새들. 찍찍찍찍찍찍. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? 그러면은 어디 있으면 좋겠어? Somewhere else. 나 말고 다른데. Somewhere else. Why do not ask them to go somewhere else? 다른 데로 가면 어떠냐고 한번 물어보면 어때? Ask them. 물어보라고? Yes, ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, bird, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. 찍찍찍찍찍찍. It worked. 정말 가네? Bye. 찍찍찍찍찍찍찍. Oh, now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. They are here. Okay, today's done. There is a bird on your head.